Welcome to 200forexperts.com. Guys, in this video I am going to talk about the signal trading analysis, and before going to the analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. So guys, this is the signal report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and starting from EURUSD with a bearish expectation from 110.427 and 110.133 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry we have seen the downward trend, and EURUSD has went down today as per the prediction. So if you have traded EURUSD, then you must be in a very good profit. At next, we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. So Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish signal from my side from 143657 and 143006 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market was closed below the entry line, and then we have entered into the start of the downward trend, and finally the market touched the target price. And now if you look at the current market, it's beyond the barriers of the target price. So overall, guys, you know that Great Britain Pound JPY gives a lot when you take the buy or sell positions, and if it goes into your favor, that's a very good signal from our side. So if you have traded this one, then you must be in a very good profits. At next, let's talk about another drop that we have seen today is on Great Britain Pound USD. And guys, you can see that early in the morning I have predicted the downward trend on Great Britain Pound USD from 131169 and 130624 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go on the weaker side, and finally it touched the target price. After that it has rebounded from that level, but overall our signal was expired on that time. Now let's talk about EURJPY, which is still on the way towards the downward momentum, and we have given the bearish signal on EURJPY from 120890 and 120263 is the target price. However, the target price is not met till now, but overall you can see a big drop is seen already on EURJPY. At next, let's talk about USDJPY. Okay. So guys, this is the fourth signal of my signals report, going to take you towards that particular pair. So USDJPY with a bearish expectation from 109464 and 109062 is the target price. And guys, you can see already the big drops come here, and you can see the market is already going down on USDJPY. So overall, if you have done scalping, you cannot say the scalping, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours we have seen the drop on USDJPY. At next, let's talk about New Zealand USD. So New Zealand USD, that's the second signal of my signals report. So New Zealand USD with a bearish expectation from my side from 066116 and 065988 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a good drop on New Zealand USD, and it hit the target price. Our signal got expired, then it moved up, but we have nothing to do with the upward momentum because our signal was already expired. At last, I'm going to talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So guys, going to take you towards the signals report. So USD Canadian dollar with a bullish expectation from 131334 and 131762 is the target price. And guys, you can see overall the momentum was slow on USD Canadian dollar. However, it was closed above the entry, and then it started to go up, and overall it's into the bullish trend. So overall, guys, if you have traded these pairs as per my signals report, then your day must be ended in a very good profit. And you know that we are doing very well from throughout the week, and you must note that. So guys, I request all those traders who trade my signals, please at least send the screenshots of your profits so that I can share on my YouTube channel, and as well as I will share on my Facebook page. So guys, this is all about the signals analysis, and for expert advisor video you need to consult my previous videos that I have posted earlier on YouTube. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that you see in my YouTube channel, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, if you are willing to get Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, you are willing to get the expert advisor, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexperts.com. So guys, please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great weekend ahead. Bye.